students of class 3. Today we will continue chapter 4. Today's topics are use of web browser, how to start a web browser, and what are the different components of using the web browser window. So let us start the class. Everyone open page number 49 and let us start the class. Using a web browser. Internet Explorer is a web browser which is included with the Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is included by the Internet Explorer web browser. Now let us see how to start it. Now first we need to go to the start button. Over here you can find all programs or all apps. Here you can find by scrolling down Internet Explorer. Over here we can type Internet Explorer will come. This is the Internet Explorer window. I am repeating it once again how to open it. Just click over here, 2 times you have to click, and write Internet. See on the top it will come Internet Explorer. Just click it and this window will be open. Now we will learn about the different components of Internet Explorer. First, this one is called the address bar. It is used to enter the address of the website. Whatever website we will open, the address of that particular website will be shown over here. Next, refresh button. This one is called the refresh button. It is used to load a web page. It is used when the page has not been displayed properly. So whenever we want to reload a particular page, we just click this button once. Whenever we are using it, see one cross button will come. This one is called the stop button. Stop button cancels the loading of a web page which is in progress. That means whenever we cross it, whatever website is going to open or loading in the system, it will be stopped. Next, this one is the search button. Search button. It is used to open a list of this one is the search box and this one is the search button. So whenever you want to open a list of previously viewed website, you can do it over here. Next, system button. System buttons are these 3. Minimize, maximize, and close. So these are all the main components of the Internet Explorer window. Clear everyone, I think. Now, how to search information using this search engine. How to collect information, that we will do it in the next class. So today's class we have done the CW as we have done what is web browser, how to start Internet Explorer, and the different components of the Internet Explorer window. Now, your work will be to read from page 49 to 51 at home. This is your HW work. So, as you will read the topics, please go through the steps to open the Internet Explorer very clearly. Okay? So, if anyone has any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box and I will reply you back. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work on time, study at home properly, and bye-bye.